Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. In this video, I will show you step by step how to prepare and serve the perfect spaghetti squash with tender shrimp and fresh mushrooms in a light tomato sauce. But, before we start, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this easy recipe by baking, or microwave the spaghetti squash. If your squash is too hard to cut with a kitchen knife, soften it slightly in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes before slicing it in half. Once done, cut the squash in half, and with a spoon, scoop out the seeds. Place the squash halves cut side up on a lined baking sheet, and season the insides with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Then, place it cut side down and poke a few holes in the skin of the squash with a fork, and bake for 30 to 45 minutes, in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, or microwave it for 9 minutes. While the spaghetti squash is baking, let's preparing the shrimp sauce. Finely chop the garlic, onion, tomatoes, fresh basil, slice the mushrooms, peel, devein, and rinse the shrimp. In a large frying pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Add the shrimp, and cook tossing occasionally, until just pink all the way through, about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, using a set of kitchen tongs, transfer shrimp to a plate. In the same pan, or a clean pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil and the chopped onions and sauté it on low-medium heat for about 2 minutes. Add the garlic, and continue to cook for 1 to 2 minutes longer until onions and garlic are slightly brown in color. Add the chopped tomatoes and sauté for 2 minutes. Add the sliced mushrooms, and continue cooking for a few more minutes. Season with salt, pepper and, optional, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes. Add the wine, optional, or vegetable stock, and let simmer for a few minutes until reduced by half. Add few leaf of chopped basil, and a tablespoon of tomato sauce and continue to simmer. Add a tablespoon of water or stock, if needed, and, if the spaghetti squash is not quite ready, turn the heat off and set the sauce aside. After 40 to 45 minutes, the spaghetti squash should be ready. Remove from the oven. With the help of 2 forks, shred and fluff the strands from the sides of the squash. If you like, you can serve your spaghetti squash on his shell, or the traditional way on a plate. Fire up the shrimp sauce back on, add the shrimp, and let simmer for a minute, and, if the sauce got a bit thick, loosen it up with a tablespoon of water or stock. Add the shrimp sauce over the spaghetti squash, a sprinkle of fresh chopped basil, and serve. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.